Welcome to this short presentation on running multiple probes on a system. The documentation will discuss probes that cannot be run on the same server. Running multiple probes on Windows requires -name to be provided on the command line, whilst -props file is best for Unix. Typically, Windows probes may not be able to run more than once on a system where the Windows registry is being used. Other probes may require customization if they are expected to connect to different versions of the target device and use device APIs or jar files. The MT-TRAPD probe on Windows requires a number of probe-specific files to be set, alongside setting the name option at the command line. Setting -name allows common probe file names to be set, including the probe rules file. Therefore, the default or common rules file needs to be added to the property file. In this example, peer-to-peer was not a consideration. On Unix, the -props file can be used to define the property file explicitly. The GLF probe requires probe-specific full paths to be set. As with Windows, when the name is set, the rules file needs to be explicitly set if sharing rules files between the probes. In general, you can use the name property to set common property file names, but you need to then set the rules file property explicitly. Set probe-specific property paths explicitly, including any common feature properties if used. Run the probe in debug mode to check what probe property file names are being used.